Well, good day again, viewers, and holy cats and jumpins'. I forgot to show you the fix on the lawnmower wheel that I mentioned. I kind of just went ahead and did it. I didn't think I was going to do that today, but I did it. So anyway, I'll give you a quick look at it here. See if I can get some light on the subject, maybe. There, look at that now. All fixed up, and it's got a grease nipple in it too, so that's good. Runs as smooth as can be. The other one was wobbling. I think I showed that in the video. And this is what I found. I found that. That was on the shaft. And I found that. That was on the shaft. I think it's kind of wore out, that one. Yeah. And then we have the wheel. So I'm going to take that home and see if I can get that apart, and son can order bearings on Amazon, more than likely. We'll see if it comes apart, I guess, first. But anyway, it took me, I guess, half hour, 45 minutes. These were kind of stuck to the shaft, and that wheel came off of this deck out here. And it's probably very close to, I'll have a look here and see. I figured it don't want to work now. Oh, there we go. 27 degrees Celsius with a 35 degree humidex at the moment, Celsius. So it's getting toasty. I'm kind of getting soaked here, and water dripping on my glasses and all that kind of stuff. So this deck here is where I got the wheel. And the wheel was stuck on that shaft too. Anyway, we got her all off and back together. Somebody replaced this wheel over here at one time, but it's bigger, taller, I guess, and it has a grease nipple on it. Anyway, if you don't keep them both wheels the same size, it won't cut properly. So anyway, that's another farmer's fix done for today. Anyway, I'll see if I can get that other one apart and see if we can order bearings for it somewhere. I think I'm going to close this place up for today and go home. I gotta put grunt away yet, and put my tools and stuff away. And there we go. So another thing fixed. Look at that, eh? All right. Have a good day wherever you're at and whatever you're doing.